how to delete your Cleo app account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply withdraw any money settings in your Cleo wallet. So in here, like I said, if you do have some money, simply withdraw all of it. And then now what we're gonna do is simply cancel our subscriptions. So for that, simply tap on Ask Cleo that you'll be able to see on the navigation bar right here. Here, what you're gonna do is simply type cancel subscription, and then what it will do is simply give you a prompt on how you will be able to like cancel your subscription, or it can also like automatically cancel all of your subscriptions. So after doing that, finally what we're gonna do is simply delete our account, right? For that, simply go through the homepage. Here you will be able to see your profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on that one, then tap on settings. If you scroll all the way down, you'll actually be able to see the option of delete account. Tap on it, and just like that, you'll actually be able to delete your Cleo app account. And yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.